Walking is her favorite time of the day. Chale? Chal. So done with Lyra's walk and now I'm in the gym room. Gaurav is already at it. You see that? Your face now. You're already on camera. I've switched on the camera. So guess who's here? My favorite bro and favorite because he's my only bro. He's my only bro. So done working out. Usually after working out, the first thing I would like to do is to take a quick shower. But everyone is so hungry. So here's some freshly squeezed super healthy juice. It's highly concentrated. So we have it like in tiny short glasses. I'm also gonna make sprouts. So Kajal has already cut up everything, making my life super easy. Plus, Gaurav wanted to pamper my bro, so he just ordered like chole bhature and I don't know what stuff for breakfast. Okay, so done with the shower. By the way, do you see my skin? My skin hasn't looked this bad in years. Anyways, I hope my phone doesn't fall down seriously. Okay. By the way, you know what? My brother told me that you always talk about skin and hair care. Why don't you ever talk about education? Basically, my brother is at an age where, career, education is all we talk about with him. Whenever he comes and sits with me, that's all we end up talking about. Keeping everything aside, have you guys heard about Fateh? Have you heard about Fateh? So I know a lot of you are still in school, colleges, thinking about your career, you're planning your education ahead. If you're planning to go abroad and study abroad in UK or Ireland, you need to check out Fateh, okay? Like for me as a sister, and I'm a very concerned older sister when it comes to my brother's education, okay? So we've been thinking about his studies abroad and all of that, and Fateh came up, and it has been such an amazing discovery. So, when you want to study abroad in UK or Ireland, one of the first questions, like starting with the most primary question, right? Which is which universities to apply to, what are the best universities to study in, or what is the eligibility criteria, or much deeper questions like accommodation, but very important questions, right? So these are the concerns that these are the questions that everyone has in mind. Like personally, we didn't have anyone to guide us through, but with Fateh, it has been so amazing, it has been so seamless, so easy. They actually help you guide through everything. And like for me personally, as the older sister, the biggest relief has been knowing that they actually care about the students, right? So whether it's your own education, your siblings' education, your children's education, or your best friends, anyone that you know who wants to go abroad and study in UK or Ireland, you need to check out Fateh. I'm not going into too many details, but they are actually conducting an event, okay? They are organizing an event on 23rd of October. Mark your calendars, or tell people to mark their calendars if they are planning to study abroad in UK or Ireland. On 23rd of October, they'll be organizing this event, which you can attend virtually. And they'll be basically answering your questions, giving you all the required, important, useful, helpful information, so you can check them out. I'll put all the details in the description box below as well. Also, by the way, I have found out, like my brother was telling me, that there'll be delegates from these universities actually attending this event, okay? Actual delegates from these actual universities. So if you meet the eligibility criteria, if you pass the requirements, if you have good grades, good marks, they will also accommodate students that fit in, okay? So I think it's such a great place to be in and such a great platform, because obviously, studying abroad has been complicated always. So if something can actually make the process easier for you, why not? So check them out. All the details will be in the description box below. And while you check them out, I'll just go and remove this hair spa cap. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. किसका दाग नहीं उठा? ये ड्रेस का? ये इतना गंदा कैसे हो गया? Oh God. इधर देखो, इधर भी देखो. ये क्या? ये तेल का दाग है क्या? So guys, it looks like I've not just spoiled my skin, my hair, but also my dress. What did I do on my last Kolkata trip? I'm having too much fun, I think. Okay, anyways, guys, I really want to show you something, okay? There's a reason why I'm in this gorgeous chili plant. Oh God, come on camera, focus. Do you see that? Yes, I grew it myself with my own two hands. This tiny little thing here, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a tomato plant growing there. But this chili plant is my greatest pride. The funny thing is we don't even eat chili, so I don't know what I'll do with it. Maybe I'll just distribute it to my neighbor, my maid, I don't know. But right now it's making me very, very proud. And do you see this here, guys? This is a spinach plant, so it's growing well. I think it'll take about 2 more weeks to grow to its full size before we can harvest it. One thing that this lockdown has taught me is one thing that lockdown has taught me is gardening. I'm enjoying this so much. And I love how we are making organic food at home, like in an apartment in Bangalore, imagine. And you know what we do? We just use a lot of kitchen waste that we just throw in the dustbin. We just use that kitchen waste as compost. So we're also recycling things. And it's so satisfying. It is so much fun. You guys should try it if you don't already. Hey Lyra, you're back! My little baby's back. Hey, show me your face. So Lyra just came back from her grooming session. कितना सुंदर हो गया ना? You're so beautiful. How was it?
Hello.
Done with your shopping and everything?
Yes.
So, दिखा कौन सा हेलमेट लिया? वो वाला. I didn't like the color.
1200 रुपए में कलर चेंज हो जाएगा.
So, do you see the collection of helmets we have here? Yep, and now we have another one added to the list. But in Gaurav's defense, he is a very serious biker. For him, it's like his one hobby. ये वो सारे certifications and all है इसमें. Whatever you wanted.
Hello.
You got everything that you wanted.
Hello. See you.
यहाँ पे photo shoot चल रहा है. Dude, she's posing for you. She didn't pose for me. I was running behind her. She didn't pose for me.
Too many helmets.
Too many helmets. We have a dukaan. You know, actually, we can get rid of it in that free cycle wala group.
Cycle, FG, Ali. We need to buy an Aether also.
So look at this, guys. Gaurav finally put this up. We had this in our old apartment, but somehow in this new flat, we never put it up. It's finally here. I love it so much. Let me know, guys, if you want a house tour video. There's just so many things I have done. There's still so much of work pending.
बहुत सामान है मेरे पास.
That's my bro talking on the phone.
रास्ते में किस अंकल से बात कर रहा है?
Okay, I'll go to the other room. You don't want to hear his conversations. They're so boring. Okay, so let me know if you guys want me to give you a house tour. There's a lot of work which I've done in this apartment, but there's still a lot left. It's been what? It's been 10 months since we moved in here, you know.
10 से 15 मिनट में आ जाऊंगा.
Packing done? 2 minutes. अच्छा सुनो, आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू, तुम वेडिंग में जा रहा है. नाइस शूज यार. फ्रेंड के लिए कुछ गिफ्ट लेके जा रहे हैं?
नो, सुबह लेंगे कलेक्टिवली.
वो अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है ना तुम लोग में गिफ्ट देने का?
मतलब ये था नहीं, बट इन दिस केस वी हैव टू बिकॉज़ ही इज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू पैम्पर अस मोर.
मैक का बैटरी गया है.
मैक का बैटरी गया? You returned the wrong laptop then. Could have returned this one. I think get that one now.
ऊपर नीचे तक आता है कि आई हैव टू गो टू द गेट.
नीचे तक आ जाएगा. Tell him to reach at gate number 2.
Gate number 2 is which one?
ये जो got her. So here's her hairstyle. I love the bows. My little munchkin is tired.
Ooh, look at this sexy beast.
What?
Will you swipe right to me on Tinder, baby? Will you? Yes.
Don't
Nobody
lie.
swipes left to me. Everybody swipes right to me. Cutie.
Lyra, काट ले. Bite him. She's looking so irritated. She's like, why can't you humans just leave me alone? Humans. Yeah. First you force me to go for the stupid grooming and then you do this to me.
No.
अच्छा, फेस के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? तुम 3-4 steps लगा सकता है? Face mask, serum, moisturizer.
No. Just
उतना
give
भी
me
नहीं
one
होगा.
thing which I can just put.
You need all.
Exactly. सुन ना
So
स्नेहा
I'll
को
mix
बोल
everything.
दे.
So my useless brother, he's going to a friend's wedding. He doesn't have a face wash, and he can't do 3 steps of skincare. देखो, I'm mixing this face mask with coconut oil, so that's 2 steps. Okay, moisturizing and cleansing साथ में. अभी इससे तो जुगाड़ नहीं होगा. Just use your fingers because if I give you a brush, तुमसे नहीं होगा.
हाँ नहीं, तो उसको ऐसे बस करके मुंह में
On
लगाना.
clean skin, just apply
fine,
this,
fine.
leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it.
15 minutes.
यार इतना effort करना पड़ेगा तो तुम जाओ. I am keeping this with me. I'll put on Lyra.
She's anyway getting this stars.
She's अच्छा कौन किस्ता भेजा था यार? Seriously somebody
No, so there's this girl, no, my colleague in Mumbai. She has 3 Shih Tzus, I told you, right? So she has a male Shih Tzu. His name is Nutty. He's 5.5 years old. He's damn cute. So.
Boy, Lyra is
I said,
not ready to get married yet.
She's enjoying her singlehood.
Singlehood, yeah.
Okay.
Chalo, bye. You're coming,
Bye,
yeah? Day after tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
चुपचाप आ जाना.
Done.
ठीक है? Just ditch your friends and go. What are you doing? Keep this products properly. Bye. So yes, guys, that was my bro. He just left, like you saw, for his friend's wedding, but he can't do 3 steps for his skincare. He's the brother of a beauty blogger. You know, it sometimes baffles me how he can be this way. Sometimes I tease him. I tell him, you're a doctor. There's no way we have the same parents, we share the same genes. It's just not possible that we can be such opposites. But yeah, that's just how it is for us. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end today's vlog now because I've realized this vlog is getting very, very long. By the way, I do a lot of vlog videos now on my Hindi channel. Like, I've just started, but yeah, if you want to follow my Hindi channel, you can do that too. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.